Hello, my YouTube friend. We're back in the shop. I'm going to give you a store update. I have a package of Funko stuff to open up, and I have a collection to go through. Let me just give you an update of what's going on in the shop. Okay, so I've been working on the front here, cleaning up. I have a box of trash I'm going to throw out. A couple more little boxes here I got to work on. That box I've been trying to get onto the wall. I'm hoping to have these shelves organized this week. So we're making a lot of progress in that area. Back over here, we still have kind of a wall of stuff. I have 5 lots that I put on Mercari, no bites yet, so I don't know if I'm going to do more of that. Just I need stuff to sell for me to start listing. I'm not going to list if nothing's selling. And then these I still got to sort through. I have a box of comics, the price out. The records, actually, a lot of these look like they're starting to get a little bit of room, so I might condense those soon. I have to make a list of all the artists I need with my record guy. I think I said that last week. I just haven't had time to do it yet. Just been super busy. I got a little bit of clutter here. This bin's almost dealt with. I gotta get rid of that soon. This wall is still relatively organized. This area is relatively organized. I think I need to get, like, this is a little bit messy. Looks like people dug out. So I gotta organize this pile right here. Stickers were down to just a handful there, so I'm gonna try to get those up on the wall today just to clear that box out. But that's, you know, progress, making progress. $5 DVDs actually has some room too, so I gotta fill that up from the front. Over in the middle here, I still have to deal with these comic books. Hopefully I can work on that this week. I also need to find a box to organize those because that's a big mess. I just organized that shelf again. It was like disheveled. I fixed it up. Let's see. These top shelves I feel like I gotta work on a little bit. I gotta move a couple of anime pops right there. Got organized there a little bit. We've been selling a good amount of pops. I think we sold about 90 over the weekend, and I've emptied out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. I cleared out. So we're making room on the floor, and also I reorganized the shelves here. So I have, let's see what I did. I gotta still do the gaming shelf on the bottom. All the DC I pulled over here. I did clear out that shelf, but it looks like a few people pulled down the Disney stuff, so I gotta put that back up there. So I have half a shelf to work with here. And then the Marvel stuff I organized. So I have all the Venom pops right here. Marvel Zombies. I have up to here is all Avengers, which looks like we sold a few today. This was Villains. This was, I think, just all the same pop. Kind of weaker stuff. Guardians of the Galaxy stuff. Punisher row. X-Men area. All Chrome. We have quite a bit of Chrome stuff. Quite a bit of these wrestler ones, which just do not sell that well. And then from here over here is all Captain Marvel. I think if people want to trade in Captain Marvel pops at this point, I'm not paying a lot for them just because half a shelf out of only 2.5 shelves of Marvel stuff, it means this stuff's not selling. And oh, it looks like a few got pushed down there, so I gotta fix this up again. No room. All right, so yeah, it looks like people actually dug through here. I guess they really want to see what Captain Marvel pops are in the Captain Marvel section. And let me actually take these two. Gonna move them just over here for now. Trying to keep it a little bit more organized so it sells better, and I have a better idea what's in the shop, right? I have a good idea what I have now Marvel-wise. I need more Marvel pops because there's not a lot of good ones left. Okay, this was just a section for the boys. This was a tennis pop section. This is a baseball section. Actually, the baseball section was right, no, that's NASCAR. Okay, I'm just confused. It's the area got a little bit mixed up today because I cleaned it up yesterday. That's wrestling, Deadpool, Star Wars. Underneath, I still have to fix that shelf, and the ad icons I still need to fix. But basically, I have half a shelf of room right there. Half a shelf right there, and I cleared out 6 boxes. So we're moving pops. I think by the end of the next couple days I should be able to move most of these up on the shelf. I just have to figure out where I want to put them. You know, if I put these back like this in their proper areas, I don't know, people are moving stuff everywhere. They see empty space, so they like to move stuff, make it a little bit easier, which I understand, but it makes my job harder because I have to reorganize them. Got the cartoon. Okay, there. Horror. I have room for horror. So basically, what I might do is I might move like the music down here because I have maybe half a shelf of music here, and then get the rest of the Dragon Ball Z stuff, which Bugs Bunny does not belong there. So if I do that, more Dragon Ball Z, a little bit more music, I should be able to get a little bit there. I have one Saint Seiya box. I might put like all those on that shelf. And this is just all Steve Irwin. So I might find a spot up top and just put them all there, just like I have all the Tyler Durdens right here, and just so I can get the box off the floor. The goal really is to get rid of the boxes on the floor. I think once I'm done kind of clearing the floor of Pops, I will be ready to start buying collections again. It's probably another week or two before I turn the faucet back on. I've just been kind of avoiding buying because I felt like the store was too cluttered, but I'm making progress and it's starting to clean up a little bit, and I think that will make it easier for me to buy a big collection. I just don't like to buy collections when it's already over cluttered because I just don't have room to deal with it and it just becomes a giant mess. Okay, on this side I have 2 more boxes. These are just more of the cheaper Pops I bought from that overstock. So I just gotta get these all priced up. A couple interesting things in there, but I gotta get those priced out, put out. And then I want to organize this shelf a bit just so I don't have anything like this where it's like doubled up. Action figures have been selling a little bit, so I got to organize that. I want to get all these boxes full of comic books, so I have to sort out my collection, like get a whole box of Hulk, whole box of Fantastic Four, whole box of Iron Man, that kind of stuff. This is all ROM, I think. So a little bit more like of the toy stuff. The bottom boxes I kind of want to get organized because I have, oops, there's the Iron Man comic book. Like I have maybe a whole bunch of X-Men stuff, so that should be together in one box. I just want to get this area kind of organized a little bit. Okay, and then main goal, finish cleaning up the front, get the middle here cleared, and then next week I think I need to take a few days and just tackle this back area and just figure out what I'm doing and make a game plan for the shelving and just for a way to display this area better. Right now it's just way too chaotic. And I have stuff like this, like an empty box I gotta get rid of. These bins, I really have to sort through them and see if there's stuff that I can get rid of. I'm sure there's a few things that I can probably toss. Whew, it's a mess, but at least things are selling. It makes it a little bit easier to organize when things are sold, so that I just have a little bit of room on the shelf to organize. Okay, let me open up the one Funko box. Let's see what I picked up. Okay, we have my FunCon box here. I haven't really been buying as much this year, just I'm out of space. You guys know I've been out of space all year, so I'm just cutting back a lot. I kind of miss it though, but it also makes me not as excited to do videos. But what I did do is I bought the sodas. I bought the 3 FunCon sodas, and then I bought an extra Klaus just so I can get the free shipping. Let's just start opening them up and see if I got a chase. Okay, we got Klaus. Let's see if we got a chase. I hope I get at least 1 chase out of the 4. If I get just commons, it's okay. But chases are why you open the sodas, right? Okay, Klaus is just a common. 1 in 8400. Still a fun soda. Let me open that up. Okay, we got Klaus. Okay, he's super cool. Okay, we have Yogi Bear Blacklight. This one will be cool to get the chase. Was it limited to 7,500? So the chase is pretty rare on this one. Let's see what we got. We got, I can't tell because it's Blacklight. Just the common, I believe. Okay, he's a super fun orange color. That's awesome. Hopefully we get a chase. Do we get a chase? I think it's just a common. Striking out so far. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, got Jimi Hendrix. He is super cool. Okay, final one. We have She-Hulk. Hopefully this one's a chase. I'll be kind of bummed out if I didn't get a chase, but that's all right. It's only 1 in 6, so odds are against my favor, and it's a common. Okay, let's see what she looks like though. I bet she's cool. Okay, so we have She-Hulk. Oh, she's really cute. Really like that figure. It's a nice figure. Okay, that was a lot of fun. Okay, so this guy I know, Sean, he dropped off 2 bags of stuff over the weekend. I didn't know he's coming, and as you guys know, I'm kind of not buying, but he came a long way, so he just dropped it off. He's going to give me a few days to go through it, and then I think he's just trading for store credit. So I figured we'll go through it, show you everything that he's trading in, and then I might price it out tomorrow. Okay, so we have the Wonder Woman 3-pack. Kind of neat. I kind of think they went overboard when they did these 3-packs, but I still think it's kind of a cool pop. I'm going to, as I go through them, I'll just put them in the box so it's easier for me to put them away. Okay, we have the Haunted Mansion Chrome 3-pack. Let's see what we got here. Okay, yeah, that's super cool. I don't know if I have that one. I kind of want. No, I think I have it. I can't keep anything. Okay, we have a Batman bobblehead, I believe. So it looks like he has a whole bunch of these. Beetlejuice bobblehead. That is really, really neat. That's gonna sell well for me. Okay, put those in there. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, we have some of these Krypton creatures. These I might actually keep. I really, really like them. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. I gotta debate. Oh, it looks like he has a bunch of them. A bunch of different ones. Oh, this one is neat. What's that, a Chupacabra? Yeah, I like that one a lot. I like these kind of Cryptozoic creatures. Oh, okay, so we have a couple of those, so I can definitely keep one of them because I have a duplicate. Maybe not definitely. But, oh, yeah, we have the three-headed creature. So we have the Cerberus. I gotta clean the plastic because there's a little paint transfer, but that figure is really neat. And, oh, a Saw figure? Oh, a Saw bobblehead. My horror fans will love that. That is cool. Alright, so this is actually not that much stuff. Honestly, it looks like it's a bunch of bigger things, but as I was saying before, I have lots of little bits of room on top for bigger things. So this is actually the kind of collection I have room for right now, which is kind of cool. Ooh, okay, we have the original Mayor. So this one, I think he wants a separate quote for it because he just wants to see what I'm giving him, but I'll probably give him about 75% of value, so it'll be a decent offer. And 2012 pop, yeah, I have to double check if I need that one. This is definitely the kind of stuff I will keep if I get it, just because it's so rare, unless I have it already. Okay, let's get this guy out. Okay, this is a super cool giant Beetlejuice doll. Oh, so tempted to keep it. I'm not gonna keep it. I don't have room for him, but he's kind of amazing. Love stuff like that. It's got the cool pictures on the side. Yeah, that is really neat. Okay, we have another thing in one of these foams from the metal figures. Okay, yeah, so this one's kind of a unique case. So the pop inside is the super rare glow-in-the-dark version, but his box was damaged. So a long time ago, he switched out the box with just a common. So it's basically an out-of-the-box pop. This one I might not buy from him because I don't know how much he wants, but I'll negotiate with him. Just kind of figure out what he wants. But yeah, that's cool. I kind of wish I had the original box because I need that one. And then the last things in that little bag were 3 Pocket Pops. Which, this one's cool. I would have kept it if it wasn't like so beat up. But that is super cool. Okay, so the second bag of stuff. Looks like we have sealed Cryptozoics, but these are the con ones. So that's actually really cool. That one I might picked up at the con myself. I have to double check that. Got a Disney patch. Yeah, more of the little, what you call it, the Pocket Pops. Pocket Pops. Pocket Pops. And more of these Cryptozoics, but these are the New York Comic Con ones, I believe. Halloween exclusive, limited 300 pieces. So he has duplicates of that. So I can keep one and sell the others, so that's okay. I'm actually going to ask my friend Alex if he wants any of these, because I know he's into Cryptozoic stuff. Okay, all right, we have a Q-Pop Batman. I think this is like a loot crate item. We have a bunch of sodas, which I will double check in a minute if they're all commons or not. Oh, that's cool. Elvis Stitch Pocket Pop. That's really neat. Okay, I gotta pull out the sodas. Looks like we have Silent Bob and Jay sodas, which are cool. Bunch of those. Which, you know, just having the commons are fun. So I'm assuming these are all commons. You probably pulled the chases. Ooh, a Yukon. That's cool. If that was a chase, that'll be exciting. Ooh, it looks like he has some of the bombshells in the bottom, which I really like. We have a year 1 Steamboat Willie. So this you would have got after your first year subscription to the Disney box. That was kind of fun that first year because they were giving you more things like that. Then they cut corners. One of the little Freddy Funkos. I love these. I think they're so cute. I wish they would do more of those. I think they only did like 10 maybe. A Dragon Ball from a box. Oh, these Dorbs 3-packs, plastic. I have to double check. I think I have this one, but if I don't, I'm actually, these are the Dorbs I really like because I like their unique monsters. Those are cool. And oh, we have another 3-pack. Yeah, I'll probably, oh, a 4-pack. I'll probably end up keeping this one because this one's really cool and I don't think it has much value. And then oh, we have 4 bombshells. Anything special? Oh no, that's just the first year trophy. I hadn't seen that one before. Wonder Woman, that's actually really cool. I really like that. Okay, here's the bombshells. We have the Nora Mira. She's really cool. I love those. I need to finish my set. I think I need about 10 more out of all of them. And then we had the Nora Wonder Woman, but this one's kind of beat up. Okay, so that's a good amount of fun stuff there. No, I thought it was more pops, not too many pops, but that's cool. Let me go through these sodas real quick. Okay, so it's just all commons, but they're fun. You know, Kevin Smith will sell. Jay will probably sell as well. So I'm going to add one of each to my collection, and the rest will be in the shop. All right, it was fun to bring you guys into the shop again. I think I'm going to keep up with like a weekly update video towards the beginning of each week until either the algorithm triggers again, I start getting a lot of views, so I'm inspired to do more videos, or if I just start buying collections again, which I'm hoping to do in a couple weeks. I'm just still kind of waiting for the store to clear out. All right, that was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.